morning news is brought to you by Hathel Furniture, the global furniture brand. Now get premium quality furniture in the affordable price. Visit Hathel Furniture, Bypass, Sainik Colony, Jammu. Call 932-9800-003. Principal Secretary to Lieutenant Governor Nitishwar Kumar on Friday reviewed the Jammu City Project, Smart City Project in a meeting held at the Civil Secretariat. During the meeting, the CEO of Jammu Smart City Limited presented a detailed report on the various initiatives taken by the Special Purpose Vehicle for the project. She gave a brief history of the JSCL, which was one of the 100 cities selected by the Union Government, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs in the third round of the Smart City mission. Terrorists on Friday lobbed a grenade on the CRPF camp in the Noorbagh area of Srinagar city. No loss of human life or injury are reported in the incident. The grenade exploded outside the camp, killing a stray dog. The Jammu and Kashmir School Education Department on Friday announced winter vacation for all government and recognized private schools of Kashmir Division and winter zones of the Jammu region from December 21st. According to the order issued by JK School Education Department, the government educational institutions, including the recognized private schools up to higher secondary level functioning in the Kashmir Division and winter zones of Jammu Division, shall observe winter vacations from December 21st to February 28, 2021, reads the order. Family members, including women and children of 3 Kashmiri residents arrested by Delhi police on December 7, staged a protest demanding their immediate release. Residents of Central Kashmir district of Budgam, the 3 were arrested by Delhi police on Monday along with 2 Punjab residents in connection with the alleged terrorism. Demanding immediate release, the protesters said they were innocent and are being framed in fictitious cases. The Bharatiya Kisan Union on Friday approached the Supreme Court against 3 agricultural laws enacted by the government earlier this year. The farmer union had alleged that the new laws will make them vulnerable to corporate greed. The move comes 2 days after the farmer union rejected the centre's proposal by saying there was nothing new in the proposal and they were going to continue their protest against the agricultural law that liberalized the farm trade. The farmers agitating near the national capital have called for a national-wide protest of December 14 and said they will block Delhi-Jaipur National Highway by December 12. Over 120 warships of extra-regional forces are currently deployed in the Indian Ocean region in support of various missions, Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat said on Friday, referring to increasing maritime presence of various countries in the strategic sea lanes. In an address at an outline conference, General Rawat said there has been a race of strategic places and bases in the Indian Ocean region, which is only going to gain momentum in the times to come. India's active caseload has significantly dropped to 3.63 lakhs, the lowest after 146 days, which is 3.71% of the total number of infections, according to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare on Friday. On July 18, India has 3,58,692 active cases, after which the infection started increasing drastically. The recovery rate was 94.84% on Friday.